Day 44. Review. Day 41 and 42. Theme: Role shedding and divine rhythm. Message: Day 41 invited you to undress from identity. Day 42 synced you back into the drumbeat of your own soul. Ask yourself, what role am I ready to hang up for good? Where have I been running ahead of my own knowing? What is the rhythm of my soul? And am I listening to it? Mini practice. Close your eyes. Put one hand on your heart, one on your lower belly. Breathe slowly and say, I walk in my own rhythm. I trust the tempo of truth. Truth bomb. You don't owe the world a role. You owe yourself the truth. New code. I release the costumes and the clock. I dance in sync with my spirit. My rhythm is divine, and I'm right on time.